Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing how to lower volume in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, you have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and lower volume in Bandlab. First of all, launch the Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then go to your library and open the project where you want to adjust the volume. So basically go to the library, which is the second last thing. Here you have all of your projects. Then click on the track you want to lower the volume for. Use the volume slider on the left side of the track to lower the volume. Drag it down to reduce the volume level. Alternatively, you can open the mixer panel by clicking on the mixer icon at the bottom and adjust the volume for each track there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.